When were these photos taken?
Well, this photograph is in Cambridge, and this is exactly the sort of dissection room that he would have gone to.
It just seems so strange that paupers presumably had no civil rights over their own bodies and what would happen to them afterwards.
No, there's a piece of legislation, it's called the Anatomy Act of 1832, and it basically says that for the crime of poverty, and it was regarded as a crime at the time, you will be dissected. It was your fault that you'd not climbed up out of this situation. And the way to repay your welfare debt, for Jess, is to go for dissection. So we'll care for you in life, provided that you repay your welfare debt to society in death.
I always think of the Victorians as philanthropic, very religious, God-fearing, charitable, kind. And yet, if you were living on the poverty line, you were considered scum. You were a criminal because you'd never made it up to the next rung of the ladder. And because of that, you were penalised. So much so that you gave your body when you died. That was it.